Okay, do you make use of foreign corn or local corn? Okay, just stick to this video. By the end of this video, I will list out all the foreign corns I normally use, so that whenever you go to the market, you proudly tell them, I need this corn, I need this corn, or I need this corn. You understand? I will list out all the foreign corns that I normally use. I don't make use of local corn because it doesn't come out well. If you want to make your popcorn and enjoy it, make use of foreign corn. I make use of foreign corn. I don't make use of local corn. If you are making use of local corn, it will not pop out well. It will not pop out well. Everything will not pop. Some will pop, some will not pop. So if you want to get it right, if you want to get it normal, please make use of foreign corn. Don't make use of local corn. It will not give you what you want. It will not give you that popcorn vibe. You understand? So make use of foreign corn. All right. Let me list out the names of the foreign corns I normally use. There are plenty, of which whenever I go to the market, if I don't see this, I will see this. If I don't see A, I will see B. If they don't have B, I will see C. And all of them comes out very nice if you make use of them. So get your paper and pen, get ready, your eyes on the screen, put your ears down. Let me list out the corns that I normally use. So number one is fresh pop. I make use of fresh pop. Yes. If you go to the market and tell them, Madam, do you have fresh pop? They will give you. It's a very nice corn used for making popcorn. It's very, very nice. Yes. Fresh pop, number one. Have you written that? Okay. Number two, you get Papa's pop. We have Papa's pop. P-A-P-A pop. Papa's pop. Yes. We have great pop. We have Quali pop. Quali pop. Q-U-A-L-Y pop. Yes. We have joy pop. Joy pop. J-O-Y. Normal joy that we know now. Joy pop. Then we have Lovina. We have Lovina pop. Yes. You'll be wondering, which one is Lovina? Yes. It's a name of corn. It's a foreign corn. It comes out very well. All these corns that I'm mentioning now, I've made use of them. I've tested them. They are okay. They are foreign corns. Then we have classic pop. Classic pop. Yeah. Then we have Roach pop. We have Roach pop. So all these ones that I've mentioned now, they are all foreign corns. Once you use them, it will come out very nice. And everything will pop. It's not all these types of local corn that when you make use of them, some will pop, some will not pop. You don't know if you are chewing, what do they call it? Uwashirike, or you are chewing normal popcorn. So when you get to the market, all these corns that I've mentioned now, just tell them, Madam, do you have fresh pop? No, I don't have fresh pop. Okay, do you have great pop? Yes, I have great pop. Then you can buy. It's okay to come out nice. Madam, I don't have great pop. What I have here is Papa's pop and Joy pop. Buy. They are all foreign corn. It will come out very nice. Yes, it will come out very well. No matter the quantity that you use and pop, it will come out very well. Yes, trust me. I've made use of them. All these ones that I've mentioned. Even I would have jotted it down so that I will not forget. I've forgotten some of them. But I believe that these little ones that I mentioned, you can just pick any of them. Go to the market, search for it. You will see it and buy. Yes. So, please don't forget to click on the plus sign to follow me for more videos. Anything at all you want to know about popcorn, tell me in the comment section and I'll explain. Yes, I'll explain more. So, see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Jane Nebechi TV. Is there. Search and everything you will need to know about popcorn is there. Gradually, we move. Popcorn woman got you.